How to get a deleted app back on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, swipe to find the app that you want to delete from here. Tap and hold that app. Here, select Remove App at the top. Then, tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Now, go back and open up the App Store application. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Here, go to Apps. You can view all your apps over here. Go to the Not on this iPhone section at the top. Scroll down to find the app you just deleted and tap on the Download button beside it. You have now successfully downloaded this app back to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily get a deleted app back on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.